Well, hello everyone, welcome. I hope everyone having a great day. As you can see, I'm just window shopping. It's been a while since I've been in Big Lots. Guys, tell me if your Big Lots still have one in your town, because a lot of them closed down. So let's take a look and see what's in Big Lots today. You might see something you want. They're having a sale here. Got all the And guys, don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, that top bell, ding ding, so you can get notification of my video. Let's see what they have today. How's everybody's day going? I hope it's going great. That's cute. Trying to walk a little slow so y'all can see on both aisles. Might be something you see you might like. Turn a little bit. See something. Let's take a walk. At these containers. This is $3. It's nice. Oh, they have a clearance right here. I bypassed it. S plus senior. That's a nice color up there. Let's see, they got bone. Oh, that's pretty soft. Oh, that's soft. Let's see, 110, 60. Oh, that's $12 for that. They have pillows and cool touch pillows. Another clearance. Anybody looking for something for your bathroom? So yeah, this is soft. That one's soft. Soft top and soft bottom. Curtains. But knots. More curtains. Pillows. Let's look at it. Got her in place. Okay. Got a 2-quart air fryer for $30. And this is a little fridge. That's cute. Okay, they have some mini. And they have a stove, electric stove. How much is it? $20. 50% off shoes if the kids need some shoes. Got a little clearance going on over here. That lamp say $24. That don't look like clearance to me. This is $12. Oh look, a whole set for your dog. Pet food. I like that little step ladder. I got a little vac, $32. I don't know if that's a good price or not. Seems like my phone is off focus or something. Marshmallows. Like that little chair. Got a small one. Little chair in your little. Let me sit it. No, that's for a child. That's not comfortable. Would do for a child. Let me sit in this big one. Oh no. I'm leaning back in that one. Yes. This would be nice. But I think they all for kids. Okay. Let's go over here right quick. See what's going on over here. Halloween. I mean, not Halloween. Loop Loop Lumper. 4th of July. That's nice. Let's see. You got the little lights. That van. Go out there and you pull it to the garage. It was $125, now it's $93.75. 25% off. That's nice too. Well, let's see what kind of. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. $80 though. Oh, it's so soft. Like it almost like it's gonna go back in by itself. Well, if it were this short, I would get it, put a piece of wood on it here. Then I put a piece of wood on the side to flip it up. Oh, this one looks sturdy. Oh, it is. Very. Oh, wow. That is very, very. $24 for that. This is very, very sturdy. I would get that. Spray painted. And yeah, I would get that. That's nice. Very strong. Chef. Then they have some small ones like that. Oh yeah. This color pretty. $39. Oh, look at here. Hey, that's neat. That would be cute. Oh, that thing heavy too. And this is real cute. I like that color. Show you. That's nice. You can put a lot of stuff in here. Now I'm liking this color. Then you can lock it in place. The wheels. Oh, I'm liking that color. Changing colors again. Instead of the blue. Well, this will go with it. I like the way this mirror inside. I would take that out. It almost look like you can make shades out of that curtains. Oh. Wow, that's very soft. $12. This is nice. Already made kitchen. $49. Just the mat. I like this, the way this made. You can get a couple of these and line them up on your floor and make you a floor. How much are they though? Would it be cheaper to do that? Let's see the price. These are $40. I like this rug. It's nice. Look at this cute bird bath. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this little shopping tour with me. I'm going down here to this little, see something I like, not for me, but it could be for me. This is cute. Oh, this chair look comfortable. Let me just sit in. Ooh, it is very comfortable. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little shopping spree with me. I'm glad to be able to take you along with me. Don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, and that top bell ding ding so you can get notification on my video. Wow, this chair is very comfortable. Okay, now, I love you guys. Bye, 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 bye. Hope everyone having a blessed and safe day.